Shanghai Hexu Microwave Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is mainly engaged in the design and development, manufacturing and marketing and sales in the field of RF and microwave technology, and our vision is to be industrial leader in microwave products and system solutions. Covering full frequency of 300 MHz to 110 GHz microwave transmission lines and microwave devices, which widely used in mobile, microwave, satellite communications, and microwave energy applications, etc. The company provides marketing services in Milan, Italy, and establishes production bases in Shijiazhuang, Hebei, Xuancheng, Anhui, and Bangkok, Thailand. Anhui Hexu Microwave Technology Company Limited is located in Xuancheng Economic and Technological Development Zone, covering an area of more than 3,300 square meters, with plant area of more than 28,000 square meters. From key raw materials to complete sets of finished products, from core equipment to complete sets of processes. It uses reliability design and verification process to ensure reliable and stable quality of flexible waveguide products. It adopts universal design and manufacturing concept to reduce product costs and shorten the delivery cycle. Rigid waveguide can be customized according to customer needs, for which the material can be copper, aluminum, invar, etc. And the process can be various complex molding methods, such as bending and twisting. Surface treatment includes passivation, conductive oxidation, silver plating, gold plating, etc. And the appearance can be treated by paint spraying and powder spraying for protection. The elliptical waveguide can be continuously produced in large length and can be flexibly cut according to the required construction length on site. Hexu can provide a full range of elliptical waveguide transmission line solutions, including various accessories and installation accessories, etc. For microwave device products, there's an integrated process from design to manufacturing, which can be highly customized according to customers' needs, with short design response cycle and flexible and guaranteed delivery capability. Hexu has independently designed and constructed a passive intermodulation test platform in 2 to 18 GHz microwave band, which can study the intermodulation performance of various devices in the temperature range of -50°C to 85°C. Circulator, isolator products such as drop-in, coaxial, waveguide, and microstrip, and the index parameters and size can be flexibly customized according to customer needs. Hexu owns a complete range of CNC machining equipment, covering aluminum alloy, copper alloy, steel, and other metal and non-metallic materials, which can be flexibly customized and processed. The microwave gyromagnetic material production line is equipped with highly automated production equipment and advanced testing equipment. Through the development of independent formula, it can realize the production of 2 material formula systems, garnet and spinel, covering various application scenarios of the whole frequency range. Hexu owns various professional test platforms for electrical, mechanical, and environmental reliability, and has built ATE system and MES system, and passed ISO 9001, ISO 4001, and ISO 45001 management system certification, so it can provide customers with the most professional and reliable products and services. To achieve rapid customer response and fast delivery, Hexu Microwave has deployed resilient supply chain management system, integrating from material to warehouse, and realizing self-sufficient and double-cycle production and delivery mode from local and globally. Customer first is our core value. We especially built the customer care program, set up task force team to quick response feedback. Our culture, people-oriented, customer first, continuous innovation, continuous enterprising. Our mission, providing professional product and service to our customer. Help to resolve challenge. Become the most reliable partner. Embrace challenge. Shape the future together. Hexu Microwave. your most professional and trustworthy partner.